Jai Bharat, Jai Shri Ram. This is Arun. I was talking to my friend. He was telling about his recent experience when he went to his wife's village side and how Jal Jeevan mission of Sri Narendra Modi ji has reached. I mean, this is not something which we are just reading and telling. He has experience, he's telling. So what did you see? Can you please tell?
Yeah, it was like, it is so happily feeling, right? So I only seen with my own eyes that it has reached the remotest of the villages, right? So when we went to one of the family functions there, so I happened to see the Jal Jeevan of Modi ji's mission, right? It has reached each and every household in the remotest villages, which was not easy to get the water, right? Even in a city like Bengaluru, people are struggling to get water, right? So they're not able to manage properly, and then it's completely mismanaged. So we are in such a world. And then at such a world, Modi ji was able to fulfill his vision for the entire nation, and then it was really what do I say? It was very happy to see people. Even when you talk to the villagers, they're so happy that they're able to see the water in front of their homes. Then it is Nirantara Jyoti kind of thing, right? Nirantara Jala, permanent source,
solution,
permanent solution or source that they get water in front of their house, nowhere to go, and then nowhere to carry those utensils to get water somewhere else, right? So it was
so this how many years after you have reached that place?
It's been almost 10 plus years, probably 10.
So before that, were you seeing that they used to struggle for water, is it?
Yes, they used to struggle.
Oh,
they
okay.
used to struggle. They used to go far off places, and then it is not continuous water that they used to get. They have to depend on water source, right? So either they have to go far away places to get the water, and then it's a common source, right? Everybody can't have that facility, so they go to a common place to get the water, and then everybody has to fight for it. Now it's not the case, where every such household has that Jal Jeevan water, and then taps have been installed, so they get the water there. So they can utilize it for households.
The issue is now it is in the name of, do people recognize it is because of the central government which has installed? Because what happens is we have this sticker politics happening all over South India, right? Tamil Nadu, Andhra or Karnataka. Center gives some scheme and they put their sticker on that and they say it's because it's from my side. So do the local people recognize it is from Jal Jeevan mission of Narendra Modi ji? Do they know about it?
They do, right? They do. They know it is because of Narendra Modi's vision, and then even those the boards that they have installed, it clearly says that it is one of the central government's initiative, and then it says Modi government has installed all of those things.
Oh, wonderful.
And it is part of Jal Jeevan, whatever that mission is called. So it has all that information, but it's not fortified in terms of there is no stickers on that as such. But unless people go and then explicitly say this is installed by us, our government, and then people doesn't want to validate those things, right? Probably there might be some percentage of it. I'm not saying 100% believe in that, but yes, they do know that it is from central government, and then Modi ji has done this.
Thank you.
Tremendous work.
Thank you. See, the idea behind why I made this video is just to let people know, even people staying in the cities, right? When we don't realize, we get all this the social medias, we see all this information, and sometimes we doubt ourselves when the opposition comes up with a narrative that says, oh, it has not reached, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan is a failure, the Jal Jeevan is a failure, that every villager should have a bank account, and the farmer scheme, everything is a failure is what they are saying. Sometimes we are doubtful unless until we visit them. So when my friend was telling that, I wanted to get this out. So yes, there are a lot of things which the central government schemes are being implemented, which is coming up good, which has reached the common public, which has reached the so-called the rural side and the people who are below poverty line, who is not in the city. So Modi ji's vision of providing the basic amenities even to the remotest of the places is working out good, provided the state support is there and also the local administration also should support. Otherwise, then we cannot complain, right? So thank you so much. I just wanted to share this with you before, guys. Thank you. Jai Bharat, Jai Shri Ram.
Thank you.
रिश्ते पंखों को हवा देंगे